guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick video of basically my takedown of my hair. A lot of people have asked me, like, how does my hair get like kind of like kinky straight on its own without any heat. So I realized that last week you guys basically saw me wash my hair and put it in the 2 buns, and I wanted you guys to see basically what I would do to style it. So it's been in the 2 buns for 2 weeks now, or sorry, 1 week, and that was the last video that I put up. As you can see, it is like pretty much kinky straight, only because like there's a little bit of wave to it. If you do 1 bun, then it's going to be like a little bit of wave in the back and you'll have like a bump. If you do 2 buns, you're less likely to have a bump and it's more likely to get a little bit straighter. And I haven't done anything to my hair. The only thing that's in it is conditioner, the same conditioner that you guys saw me put in last week. Okay, so as you can see, there is a bump right here, and all I'm gonna do is just work it down. It's gonna be straighter in the front and on the sides than in the back where the ponytail holder was. So as you can see, I'm just kind of like pulling it down. So whenever I do like protective styling, or I just feel lazy and don't really want to do like a whole lot to my hair, I'll just wear it like this. And that's kind of one of the reasons why I don't put up a lot of hair videos, because I don't style my hair a lot and I don't do a lot of styles. And this is just simple and it's easy. Having the bump in the back right here doesn't bother me that much. What I'm going to end up doing is using these bobby pins to kind of style the back, because there's also going to be a line since my hair has essentially been parted down the middle. So as you can see, that's pretty much how it looks. And when I get a chance, I will show you guys how this looks in the bathroom with better lighting. Like I said, right now I'm in kind of a rush and I have to film this in here, but the lighting isn't too bad. So right now I'm just removing some shed hair. Okay, so now I'm in my bathroom where you guys can see better lighting. So this is after 1 week. It's usually straighter than this if I would have shown you guys the first week, because as you can see, like, it's fuzzy on the top. Like, my hair just gets fuzzy because it's really fine. So right here is the bump that's in my hair, and I'm going to take a couple of bobby pins and I'm just going to pin it down. And some of the hair on the bottom, I'm actually just going to comb it, brush it on. I don't want it looking like scraggly, because like it's not straight and it's still wavy at the roots. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's how the roots are. And like, if you look right here, like, I can't even really get my hand through there. So that's why I just call this kinky straight, because it's not straight, but it kind of gives you an idea of how it would look if my hair was flat ironed. It would be longer than this, but I like how this looks. I'm not really that into styling that much, and I just keep it simple, but this is pretty much all I do. So for you guys who really requested that video and you were like asking me, how do you get it like this, like, it literally is that simple. I just wash it, I put it in a bun with conditioner. Sometimes I don't even put conditioner in it, and then I just go to sleep. Like, it's simple. And I'm going to use some of this Garnier Fructis edge control so that fly away baby hairs. This edge control is kind of wet, but it's not that wet. Like it's not pasty. Like my husband also uses it. So I just put a little bit right there. And then I'm just gonna look in the mirror real quick. We're about to go out on a date and I'm making us late filming this. Now I have stuff right there. Okay, so this is the look, and I'm gonna finish putting these bobby pins in, and we're gonna head out. When we get back, I will show you guys how it looks. As far as humidity in Tampa right now, the weather is really nice, and so I could wear it like this for probably 5 days before it starts reverting. So I'm not too worried about the humidity. Unless it starts raining, then it'll revert, obviously. So anyway, I'll be back to show you guys the back. Hey guys, so I am back from dinner. So I wanted to show you guys how my hair looked. I've been outside, walking around doing things, and this basically is how it looks after having been outside. Still basically looks about the same. And as far as the back goes, I did pin down that bump in the back. As you can see, right here is where the bump is. I have it pinned down, and I like my hair pulled forward like this. So that's how I did the back. I just smoothed it down right here, and I put a bobby pin right there just to cover the part. And you can do this with 4 buns. I did want to say that you can do this with 4 buns so that you have less of a bump in your hair. But this is no different. It's not really that different. So anyway, I'm about to just kind of like relax on the couch. So what I'm gonna do is just put it back up, and then tomorrow morning when I go out, I will just do the same thing again. I'll just put it back up, or put it back down. So I've been wearing my hair like this since I got back from vacation, and that would be the very beginning of March. So my hair has basically been in protective styles since the beginning of this month. So I still haven't had like a chance to really trim my hair. I did like a mini trim, just like a little